In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload and share Google Drive files. In here, as you can see, I'm already on my Google Drive. So to upload the file on Google Drive, just tap on the plus sign and then tap upload. So in here, you just need to select what you're going to upload. Just tap that one and it will be automatically upload in your Google Drive. So you can check the progress here. So once you're done uploading, you can now check it at the bottom. And to share a Google file, just open any of your video and at the three buttons at the upper right, the first thing you need to do is manage access. In here, you want to change the restricted into anyone with a link, so that when you send the link to someone, they can open it on your Google Drive. So once you're done changing that one, just go again to the three dots on the upper right and then click on copy link. And you can now paste it and send it to someone. So for example, I wanted to paste it here. Just go ahead and paste that one and then send button. And then all they need to do is just tap the link and they will be directed to Google Drive. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.